Kani ketika Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubur baman kasni, balawan rasha pi da ka orange Nissan, lom so po niya fabricate shillong.
Day baka extension ya ka filing of returns but clearing of taxes day but dealers sale of petroleum and petroleum products petrols and then petroleum products requested by the dealers due to the COVID-19. In fact, they need to clear the filing of returns by the end of March 2020. Henry namar baka jiano kanika lockdown. Nakalian jom kini dealers kikipat bangin extend niya kapor. Tiada bakadu ka kabinet kala menjur ban extend niya kapor. Nakabana kanika ka quarter ending. Kapag kita ban file returns ban clear yaki jingsi baro. Apo kalai hui trip March arhaja atho mentang na extend baki day ban clear hapo kakhasan kari jom ubnai be arhaja atho. Kata kali ka banungkong karai ka bana kalian ka kabinet kala shim.